Okay, the next synth I'm going to use is Predator. It's a Rob Papin synth, and again, it's the same as everything else, just insert it as an insert effect, and it's very easy to use in this fashion. So what we have is the synth. Now you can put it to default and just mess around with the parameters.
Action on the molecular level that is completely unpredictable.
Reverb on there. There's also an LFO kicking in somewhere. Yep.
The formula. Reaction on the molecular level that is completely unpredictable.
Oh, I hate it when that happens.
No, Pinky. Never use 2 drops.
But there's also lots of presets. More exciting presets to show you would be things like the phaser.
The formula would cause a reaction on the molecular level that is completely
You
unpredictable.
can hear it working away there.
I hate it when that happens.
Something else we could use is lo-fi, and a whole host of other effects really. Comb filters, reverb.
Never use 2 drops of the formula. Cause a reaction on the molecular level that is completely unpredictable.
The one I really wanted to show you was the vocoder. If you come down here and choose vocoder MIDI, Voc MIDI preset number 1, if I press play now, nothing will happen. The reason for that is the audio is the carrier signal as it's known in vocoding terms, and we need a modulator. We need something to modulate the carrier signal. So what we've done is we've created a MIDI channel. The output of that MIDI channel is the Predator effects, and now what will happen is when you play keys on the keyboard, you'll be playing, in effect, the vocal. So let's have a listen to that. Let me just see if I can turn that up a bit for you. So pretty cool. You can also, of course, draw in the MIDI. I'll just draw in a couple of quick notes for you to hear. So as you can see, nice and easy, loads of fun. Now, just before I finish this video, I want to show you some quick stuff using Reactor. First thing, again, I'm just going to show you as an insert effect. So here we have Reactor. Open it up, and in this instance, I'm going to use Space Master, which is a reverb.
No, Pinky! Never use 2 drops of the formula. It would cause a reaction on the
Okay, that's just a little bit. Let's hear.
Molecular level that is completely unpredictable.
Oh, I hate it when that happens.
No, Pinky!
And
Never use 2 drops of the formula. It would cause a reaction on the molecular level that is completely unpredictable.
okay, so, and of course you can use whatever effects you like. Not even sure what this is. Okay, that's like a granular distorter, that one. Crazy stuff. Nice, great effect. But what I really wanted to show you was something I've just came across myself. I'm going to show you it very briefly. It will take me a little second to set it up. It's a thing called the Spiral. It's a new, well, it's not a new Reactor ensemble, but I got it free, or I got it posted to me via the Native Instruments service centre, and I'd never used it before, and it's I think it's brilliant. So I think I'd like to just show you it quickly. So what we need to do is open up a Reactor. Shouldn't have done that, it doesn't matter. And in Reactor I'm going to select Spiral Ensemble. I'm just going to save that on the desktop. Okay, so here it is. Basically what this tool does is sends MIDI trigger information out of this to any other VST that you may have, or in fact another reactor instrument. I've only just scratched the surface with this, so I can only give you a brief demo. But what I'm going to do is add another synth. Let's go for massive. Okay, and if I open, what I need to do now is go to the input of massive and put that to reactor 5. So now what's happening is this device here is sending all the MIDI information through massive. So let's just find the sound in massive. Right, we'll just use the first sound, 1991. So if I press play, now what's happening is this is playing a pattern of MIDI notes. I'll give you a brief description of how I've picked it up. Spiral here, if you select that or select it here, allows you to manipulate this section here, which adds more information, which in turn sends more information to the other VST. So if I press play, okay, and this one changes pitch. Okay, nice little bass line there. I'll change this one up here, the quantize to eighths, and I'll slow the clock down a couple of bits. Let me just speed up the tempo a bit. I'm just going to add another instrument. I'm going to add battery. Just stick a kick drum in there just so you can hear it. Just to give you some kind of rhythmic latch. Okay, so I've got a kick drum in here now. And what you need to do is come to the massive channel, put on the monitor button so that when you move away you'll still hear it. So now and you can change the scales here, so stick it on G, put it on minor. Change it to 16ths, any kind of quantize you like, and there's different presets. Of course you can change the presets. Nice sub 8. Acid going on. So as you can see, great toy. And of course, if I come in here and add another VST, let's just pop in Vanguard for talk's sake. Make the input to Vanguard reactor as well. It will now trigger both Vanguard and Massive. And all the glitching you can hear is Massive having a fit. As you can see, it's at 5% there. If I press play, 62% of my processor. So I just wanted to give you a little glimpse of that because I thought you might find it interesting. I hope you found this whole video interesting, and enjoy the rest of the free videos.